Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on YouTube app, we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can search about YouTube app. You will try again. Here you will click and you can search about YouTube on this list, or you can search about it here. You can write it as you see. As you see, you can click on YouTube. Sorry, here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage and then you can click clear cache. So please don't forget